Our today's question comes from Organization Design Level 5. Question on your screen. Identify the HRE ways in which a company can support their employees' health and well-being. 6 marks. The 3 ways to support employee health and well-being are as follows: wellness programs, flexible hours, and mental health support. To begin with, wellness programs offer gym access or health workshops. For example, Google provides free fitness classes to reduce employee stress. Next, flexible hours allow employees to choose work schedules. For instance, a bank like Barclays offers flexible shifts to improve work-life balance. Finally, mental health support provide counseling or stress management resources. For example, a retailer like Tesco offers employee assistance programs for mental health.